My name is Matt Dorn. I'm the president and CEO of the MANTEC company. Our company traces its roots back to 1878 here in York, Pennsylvania. We've been in business a long time, about 145 years coming up here in 2023.
I'm Jennifer Doran. I am the Vice President of Administrative Services.
So Anstat is a printing company that specializes in anything print. We put ink on paper in many different ways. When a job comes in the door, it usually goes straight to either a salesperson or to customer service, depending on what type of job it is. It goes to estimating, and then from that point, it goes to our pre-media department, so it might be design.
What's so cool about your job?
Oh my goodness. Well, I get to use my creativity. Very fast-paced and busy job, so the days go very fast, sometimes too fast. The main thing is I get to use my creativity just to create all kinds of stuff.
And then from there, it goes to the press room. It's printed, then it goes to our bindery, and it's bound in some way, shape, or form, or just trimmed and ready to go directly to the customer. Then it leaves and goes to our shipping department. Oh, what's so cool about manufacturing? That's such an easy question for me. It's different every single day.
Being able to go into a store or into any place or even get a piece of mail that I printed is pretty cool.
I think one of the coolest things is that every day we get to make something you can tangibly see and do.
We all get along good, we all have a blast together, we all have the same like minds, so it's pretty cool.